Hi and welcome to this short demo video of VideoCreator. In this short video, I will give you an overview of the software. Here on the left, we have our menu. Here you will find a whole lot of different categories to choose from. Categories like ads, food, explainers, intros, scroll stoppers, and much more. So if you would like to create a stunning intro or a video ad for Facebook, with VideoCreator you can create it in seconds. There are various templates to choose from. There are also templates with different screen ratios. So if you want to create a Facebook ad, then you can choose one of the templates with this screen ratio. But now let's see what the software can do, and see how easy it works. I'm going to create a short intro with our logo inside the video. This one looks pretty cool, so I will choose this one. Okay, here we are in the editor to customize our video. Every template has its own elements you can customize. You can add your own logos, images, texts, and even videos. But this template is a short intro, and it will let me add some music, my logo, and my own text. In the editor, you start with your audio. There is a preset music file, but you can also add your own audio to your video. If you hit the play button, you can listen to the audio. If you want to upload your own audio, you can do it here. But for now I stay with the preset audio. So let's continue with the next step. In this next step, we have to add our logo. You can simply upload your logo from your computer. But it's also possible to look for images at Pixabay, Pexels, or Jump Story. Okay, I have uploaded my logo from my computer. Now we have one step left. We need to customize the text in the template. For now I keep it simple, and just type in our website URL. I can also choose a font I like most. I like a clean font, so I pick this one. And that's it. The only thing we have to do now is generate the video, and wait a few minutes for the rendering to be done. When the rendering is done, you can simply download your video and use it for all your projects. You can also watch the video by hitting the play button. And this is how easy VideoCreator works. Thank you for watching this demo video. If you want to get started with VideoCreator, then just hit the link below.